shirt. Pussies. Nah, but yeah, man. Back. AMP new house reveal, man.
Oh, man. Crazy shit. Now, when I saw this shit, or Kai on the gram, I thought the niggas was like, LA or some shit.
I thought the niggas was the DR.
We would do it all. You know, the vibes, we would do reacts. We the nation. Javen.
Alright.
AJ.
Steph
in the building. About to tune into this. Reddit, Twitch. TikTok. Yeah, social media pop up everyone. Follow Javen on Instagram.
Sir.
Content coming real soon. Feel me? Yeah. EMP. And house review to do this though. Let's get into this.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on with AMP? Alright? Are they dead? Like, is it over? Is it donezo? It's been a month since they were evicted. Don't even know why. Was it because of that firework war? What is going on? And the members have dispersed? Kai is streaming out of U-Haul? Is AMP dead, resting, or planning something big?
Oh, y'all thought AMP was over with. Oh, homeless AMP, right? Oh no, we gotta get lit now. No cap. Time for the motherfucking pool party. Oh, shit, come on, nigga. Come on, nigga. What's up? Hey, niggas ain't seen us on the internet like a month. I ain't see you in like mad months. But look though, I ain't gonna lie. A lot of niggas was paying our downfall. You feel what I'm saying? Niggas talking shit. Yeah. But guess what? Look where we at now. Hey look, we got blessings on the way, and if they try to stop our blessings, they gon' die, nigga. No. What? Yeah, like our old lady in LA told us that. Like whoever tries to stop our blessings gonna die. Yeah, you don't want nobody stopping your blessings. You know why? Cause you gonna die, nigga. Yo, ladies, if y'all don't need no nigga in your life, make some fucking noise in the motherfucking Ladies, if your pussy is good, make some fucking noise in the building. Yeah, go David, go David. If you don't motherfucking turn up tonight, make some motherfucking noise. Cheated on. Make some motherfucking noise.
That crib is lit.
Nah, Chris is ass.
The crib is too lit.
Nah, that's a...
Who said if you get cheated on?
I'm fucking him. I wish him the motherfucker would. I'll blow his whole motherfucking house.
What you meant like in GTA though, right?
No, in real life.
In GTA.
I will go to jail for arson if I have to.
Just in GTA though.
No.
Okay. Alright, they ain't get cheated on, my bad.
Hey, where I been at? Yo, listen, I been in the room. Yeah. I was having fun. Yeah. But I'm back with my boys. I got a surprise for y'all though. I got a surprise. What's surprise? In the past crib, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if it was because me and Kyle was wilding out with the flowers. I don't know, but let me show you something that's in my room. Pull again. Oh, wait, hold up. Let me show y'all something. Hold on. Let me show y'all something. Yo, feeling with
Too very.
Bro, it's like gas.
Bro, just turn it on. They can drive somewhere.
Oh, it's a prop. It's not real.
You got a fake dirt bike?
Oh, they got a fake dirt bike.
You got a fake dirt bike.
Do he got a dirt bike in here and not know how to...
Yo, wait, hold on. Nigga, come on, Suey Codes. Nigga, come on, bro, stop, bro.
Go crazy, man.
What's up, baby?
Sick. This is a good idea. This is a really good idea. Right.
What the fuck are you doing?
That's a good idea, right?
You can't even put out here.
Huh?
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah.
That is actual dick right here.
Pause!
That is the craziest dick right now I've ever seen.
Come on in, man. Come on in, man. Come on, nigga.
I'm coming.
I shut the move, man. God damn, nigga. Move, man. Shut the door behind you, bro. Anyway, hello. Welcome to my.
Nah, 2 doors is hard.
2 doors is crazy. 2 doors.
TV in the corner right there. Got a whole wall for space. I've heard.
That's tough.
Nah, yeah.
It's good space.
My room, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is what all like the magic happen. Having no magic happen and probably won't no magic happen, but shit, anyway. First thing first, man. Check out the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? The shower. Now, this bathroom not as big and
luxurious.
Yeah, and my other bathroom, but I wasn't tripping when they said that I wasn't gonna get the master bedroom. I ain't really care. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is probably my favorite part of the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? I come out, you know what I'm saying, and I really just.
Nah. Kind of the basement. I'm thinking.
Kind of basement?
Yeah,
Probably Agian.
You haven't seen the streams? I've been seeing clips. Well, it looks like he's in the basement at least.
Motherfucker, see, look at this nigga. Look at this fucking view.
Nah, that view is crazy.
What the fuck, nigga?
That's
Where is
just
this
bro.
even located? This is not in Georgia, bro.
No, it is.
No, they got it.
Definitely did.
You know what I'm saying? Intake all of that right there that the world got to offer me. You know what I'm saying? I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? Because big house in Atlanta, it's real peaceful. You know what I'm saying? Pull up. This is Phantom Room. Starting right here, look. Starting right here, I'm in Phantom shit. All right,
So this is
this
yours?
is mine.
Oh, okay.
This is mine. Don't let nobody, man, Phantom, nigga, this is my shit, nigga. When I catch you in here, boy, should have been it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a wall right here. I'm gonna build a door right here, and I'm gonna lock that motherfucker at all times. This is my bathroom. This is my bathtub right here. I haven't used it yet, but boy, when I do, hey, boy, when I do, boy, I'm gonna have a marvelous time in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Check out the view, though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just get my like the bottom of my
Like split some wand, a joint.
Type of bullshit, motivational. Fucking,
You can just sit there, split, relax, long day, and just look into the sunset real quick while I clean myself up.
I would wake up just to get in that shit. Spend my morning in there with split.
Yeah. Really prep the whole time just to do that. That's our goals to reach.
My feet in the, you know what I'm saying? Get there. You know what I'm saying? My feet gonna be just a little twirling in here. But anyways, man, look, check out my sink. This sink is so fucking ugly, bro. I'm finna get this whole thing X'd out. You don't like this shit either.
Nah, she's kind of ugly.
It looks like it's for a woman, though, right?
A little bit, like it looks like it's a wannabe like high-end sink, but it
ain't.
No,
they went the cheap route.
Right.
Me, I'm going all out. Next time y'all see this bathroom, I'm gonna have this out of here. I'm gonna have a mirror. I ain't even got no mirror in here. I'm redoing all this shit. Now that this is my house, ain't no more landlords, ain't no more rent. This is my shit right here, so I can do whatever the fuck I want with it. Anyway, though, check out my bed. This right here is a $300 comforter. This right here is the softest comforter you will ever lay your motherfucking hands on.
That's pretty nice, bro.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So look, nobody's allowed on this. Not me. I don't even sleep on this right here, man. Get the fuck right. Now I got my TV mounted. You know what I'm saying? It extends and it come back out like this. It goes in, then it come back out. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. So I fuck with the TV. Pull up to the closet, man. I got a few shoes. Nothing major. I'm gonna have an interior designer coming in a few days to redo this whole thing. I'm gonna paint this whole. I don't know what the previous owners did. This light blue teal color, I'm not feeling it at all. And the good thing about this house, I get to play this shit as loud as I want to. As loud as I want to. As loud as I want to. Right? You like this song right now?
I fucks with that.
Yeah. I just made it up.
You just made it?
On the spot. What's this right here?
Nah, that's.
You got an attic, my brother.
Oh, do I?
I would do that
Well,
whole
shit, I think
shit.
this
I'm
that's
making
lit.
a whole fucking safe room, dude.
Nah,
Grip the Knox. Have a fucking armory.
Sir
right
Knox.
there. The Knox.
Oh my goodness.
Might be the end of my little toe. And this end of my toe, nigga, back up.
That shit don't look sturdy, bro.
Like I. Ain't nothing up here though. We good.
You good?
But yeah, that's the end of my show. Appreciate y'all for something about type shit. Now get the fuck out, man.
Right now?
Yeah, get out, bro. Get the fuck out.
Alright. Oh, yeah.
I'm praying for them. Come through, man. Let me show y'all what I'm working with, man. So you see what I'm about. I got a hand fingerprint coated thing. I don't want people coming in, alright?
Wait. Let's get real quick.
Oh, it's not on yet. You ain't gonna leave my dick right now. It's not activated yet. You know, first things first. Always gotta have this in any single one of my rooms, alright? Always gotta have a projector. Y'all know how I feel about my movies, man. Yeah, check out the plaques. Your boy's 5 plaques deep. You know what I'm saying? Pretty simple room. As I've been talking, my projector's still been coming down. It's quite slow. But let me show you why I really wanted this thing right here, you know?
Wait, Dave, is deep clean, remember?
The one spot that's dirty, like that's what you do. This is what makes it worth it right here, man. You know, balcony right here, perfect eye level. Got the yoga mat. Me and my girl be doing yoga here in the morning.
Can you show me some stuff?
What you thinking?
Maybe, I don't know, like doggy?
That's not a yoga pose. That's a sex position, you freak. Now you a freak, bro. But welcome back, man.
He's got an AMP flag, like a castle flag.
Oh yeah, need that. That's
beast.
They got
American flag, got our flag, nigga.
And the projector finally came through. We got my little setup right here. Got the close of the week right here. This is nothing crazy. It's just this week's lineup right here, you know. And I got a whole bunch of shoes. I don't really care about no more down there, but like I said, it's nothing major. My room's pretty late. A whole bunch of shoes. I don't really care about no.
I see
Yeezy.
I see Nike Yeezys, nigga, just in a mush. I see Air Mags in a mush. I see Oregon 5s in a mush. Yeah, Davis, I gotta holler at you, bro. You gotta talk.
More down there, but like I said, it's nothing major. My room's pretty late. Right here, this is my bathroom. I let Chris use it sometimes, though. Chris, this is my bathroom, right? I just let Chris use it.
Come on, bro, fuck you. I go cat, bro. A lot of nice black women here.
Hey, I love black women.
I love my black queen. No cat.
Hey, one thing about me, I love me a black bitch, bro. I mean a black woman.
Black woman, not black bitch. No, so like, who is she so far out here? Like, who got your attention?
Nah, it's definitely a lot of beautiful females.
Yeah,
but
a lot of
I really ain't on
black
that type of time right. I really just want to be by myself.
Okay. See, that's my problem. Like, instead of me looking at who to choose, and I just let that come to me. For me, let it be with me. You know what I'm saying?
Fishing rod.
Throw that motherfucker in. Run it back up.
No, hold on. That's the bait over there. That's the bait. So just do your thing.
And they gonna what the fuck? Damn! Oh shit! Oh shit!
I said we just got the crib. Calm down for 1 week, bro. Give us a week.
Calm the fuck down, bro.
Why you panicking?
Hey. What time?
Lights come out, joints always looking on the back
I don't know. They
yeah, I ain't gonna lie, yeah.
I don't know.
I gotta get through these. Hitting the donuts.
See
Nigga
this
said the donuts.
See this right here? But yeah, hold on tight.
It's so tight.
Hey man, so this part of the crib, this is the room temperature tub. It's not hot just yet. We gotta get it fixed.
Out the pool, look at us for the little person, CJ. My nigga CJ here, nigga. So he being gigantic on a little pool for me. People be too big in your cup.
Damn.
You got fucking ungrateful, nigga. You know, wet and shit, nigga. How long you was
Chill.
there?
What's wrong with this guy?
I'm joking, nigga. There, go back here, have some fun. Bro, what the fuck?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Straight up in the air.
Watch out! Watch out!
Oh yeah, that's not RPO.
Nah,
That was a pile driver.
Nah, what?
His body was already, his upper half body already inside the water. His legs are already up.
Nah, yeah. He's an RKO. That's
It's like this.
Shooting an
That is
RKO on the
like
ground, he
this.
was dead.
nigga went.
Chris. Bro, can you give me a room tour?
Nigga, I am not ready.
They got a shower cap on.
Open. Bro, open the door.
I'm dead ass not ready. Come
Bro, open the door,
my shit
bro.
is not ready. Bro, my room is not ready. Come on,
Open, bro.
Come on, please.
Bro.
Tsukasa, Mikasa, you know what I'm saying? This is my room. I just got a brand new TV and shit. You know what I'm saying? Hold
It's
on.
not even on the wall.
Huh?
It's not even on the wall.
I'm gonna get that. Bro, it's a work in progress, nigga. All right, come on.
Yeah.
What's that, bro?
Whoa, what's that?
Whoa,
you know what? Yo, bed frame coming tomorrow. I'm gonna have some records and shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. I'm gonna have some like LED lights and all that shit.
You're not even a musician, though.
Brand new. I'm gonna have a leather couch, probably $2,500 something like that. Just spend it on or something like that.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
Where's my spot? You know, last house we shared. So where's my spot?
Oh, your spot.
Yeah.
Your spot.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
No. Like, no, it's a nice room. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and this is my window. Wow, look at the view.
That's like Chris been at a room.
Where's my bed though?
What are you talking about?
And I used to
Like,
lead,
the
man.
room next time, bro. How many times I gotta go over this? Like, where's my stuff now?
Oh!
Can we do like an actual room tour? Like,
What you talking about?
your room, my room, everything. Like,
Your
show
room?
them, bro. Yeah.
This is not your fucking room.
Bro, we gotta show them, bro. We roommates forever.
This is my closet. You know
This
what I'm
me?
saying? Not everything is, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of, videos planned. That's why I didn't do laundry yet. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Nah. You know what I'm saying? Look, I got my jackets and shit. I don't know why it's a towel there, but got my jackets in there and shit. Pretty much I'm not ready. I ain't even got all my shoes and everything, but you know what I'm saying? It's a work in progress. You know what I'm saying? It's a work in progress. So this is my crawl space, man. Pretty much I'm trying to do a whole bunch of stuff with it, content-wise. Pretty much have like all types of like guys have my own show down here, podcast, do anything I want in there. Now, I probably an extra room, like guest room, you know what I'm saying? Cause you're not gonna be here all the time. So yeah, like I be putting like different types of lights on and everything.
That's a fire shit that happened, bro.
Alright.
Hey, yo, but what
Bro,
the
what type of shit he got in his closet?
Whoa.
That little door that leads to
He called it a crawl space, but this is
cross.
this is OD.
Nah, I'm
That's a
definitely making
whole nother
this.
room inside his closet. What type
I'm
of
definitely
crib did he
sleeping in
buy?
there.
Nah, that's her.
Not sleeping on the outside of my room, I'm sleeping in there.
Wow.
Low, nigga. You gonna come into my room and be like, yo, where's this nigga at?
Oh, is there even a regular door to get out of that?
Yeah. Beside the crawl space door.
That's
I'm making that shit metal and I'm locking it.
That's gonna lock you in there.
So I have a way to get it from the inside. Get out from the inside.
Where?
Hmm?
Where?
I just put away.
Nah, you stuck in it. See how that shit look? That shit foamed up the top.
It's just wood though.
That means there ain't no exit.
No. This is where I'm at, be having my show and stuff like that. This is my shout out my dad and shout out my mom.
They're white.
Nigga, I have vitiligo. Nigga. Basically shout out to Plaque. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And I got my sticker table, got my sticker coffee table and shit. You know what I'm saying? Really,
How'd you get the coffee table?
Stole it.
Is this for me?
Oh yeah. This is a room for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just get in there. Just get in there. Not a space, not a room.
Bro, there's no room in here, bro. What are you talking about?
Your ass around. Turn your ass around, nigga. Bro, I don't even know which all this weird
you
ass.
gonna-
I'm sorry, I apologize.
gonna lock
I'm
me in
sorry,
there, bro?
but all this weird ass.
I think there's an outside shit right
I
there.
don't even know who these niggas. No exaggeration.
From
I
the
do.
jungle?
I don't even know.
And that leads to his room.
Bro, nah, MP had to
That's
fucking
like
do that shit
OD.
because I
That's
didn't
like
plan
what?
this shit,
That's
bro.
like- that's
Imagine if it had
My
some-
room.
No, nigga.
What do you mean?
My motherfucking bathroom, nigga.
Bro, it's locked because I only have the key, bro.
Oh, no, it's not you. Davis keep locking the fucking door. Yo, stop locking the door. Oh,
What the fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro?
Oh, hell
Yo, Phantom, what you doing right now, bro?
What's up, bro?
Yeah, you
What's up, my boy? What's up?
Can you give me a house tour? Room tour?
Alright, fuck it. Alright, listen, gang. Well, shit, you can't miss the elephant in the room. You know how we get down, bro. We get crazy. Check this out. On this side, man, pull up, gang. Every day I wake up and I think about millions. You know what I'm saying? I think about dividends. I think about, nigga, I don't even know, but this shit look fire. Look at this shit right here, gang. Nah, this shit a movie. Shit, but that's what I ain't gonna lie. Listen, we got the remote right here. We got the flag on this shit. Flag on this shit. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I don't know what's in here, but this is mine too. Just know that. So whatever this turns into, just know you saw it before. I made it crazy. I don't know what we gonna do yet, but yeah, don't show too much over there. You know what I'm saying? Look, if I want to get a fit, calm little fit real quick, I come here first. I like to look at myself. You know what I'm saying? How I'm looking today. How I'm look. Okay, I look good. Alright, cool. I keep it moving. Now, the elephant on the room. Man, get this shit out of here, man. Alright, gang. So check this out. My bathroom right here. I got 1, 2 toilets. I don't know what the fuck this is, but feel me? Look at my bathroom. Look at my shower. My actual CD. Yo.
Oh, my fault, bro, my fault.
Nah, slide, yeah. Anyway, you feel me? If I'm here though, let me show you the view though. You know what I'm saying? Right here though. Wow.
Like, that shit probably sound crazy.
Come on, gang. We just came a long way, bro. We came a long way though. But
Alright, well that's it, man.
Yeah, pretty much, gang. I ain't gonna lie. So,
Alright.
Now hold on, see one more thing though. Sometimes I be like this. You know, right? Look. This how I be right here. Damn. Y'all niggas be safe, man. Like it's a lot of gats in this motherfucker, like
Come on into the crib, man. Hey, look, I've been blessed, man. Last crib. Oh, hey, and that's respectful. I didn't even have to ask. You just know, man, in my room, you gotta take your shoes off. Look, nice little hallways gonna lead you directly into the utility closet, man. I got all my cameras and gear. You got the legendary A&P logo up top, man. At nighttime, it looks spectacular. Hold on, man. It's making too much noise out there. Audio quality improvements right there. I got my exclusive jersey. I don't even think they made those custom. I remember when I worked with the Raptors Uprising, man, they sent me one of those right there. It's OVO jersey, man. That's a special place in my heart. All right, let's start by saying, man, my room, this house especially, is a work in progress. There's a lot of things I want to do that involve construction so I can get it looking the way I want to. But my carpet didn't arrive. I mean, just use your imagination for a little bit. Beautiful carpet. We got the Ethiopian pillows and decorations all over the wall. I don't know why, bro. I'm tired of chairs and furniture, bro. I'm Ethiopian. There's a floor. Get a comfy ass carpet, get some fucking pillows, and have a good time, man. It's as simple as that. On that side of the room is where I'll be streaming and recording, so let me show you that. I don't like to do, okay, this is gonna sound like cap considering this looks really expensive. I don't like to do too much anymore. Back in the day, I used to spend hella bread on random monitors, PCs, and all of that, right? Nowadays, man, honestly, 3 simple monitors, you get yourself a simple PC, a simple speaker setup so you can play some music, and a simple lighting setup with simple 3-point lighting. All of it is so simple, man.
How much is the monitor? What's my here?
I got it like 3 years ago. Now it probably goes for like $300.
Stop!
I swear.
This was like $2,700.
When I bought it, it's hella cheap now. I told you, I don't buy gear no more. I'm saving up money, ladies and gentlemen. We buy assets nowadays. This is a tax write-off. Stop it! What are you trying to do? Notice to appear. This
nigga said notice to appear.
I'm saving up money, ladies and gentlemen. We buy assets nowadays. This is a tax write-off. Stop it! What are you trying to do? Notice to appear. This looks crazy. On On this side of the room, ooh, we got the sun hitting me. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the views from every room is crazy. I got a little bit of a view myself, man. You can see, hey, man. Hey, we got a charging station over here. Please shoot me. GoPro.
Just keep watching.
He said he had a piece of the view, but like it don't look like everybody else's shit. But he said keep watching. So.
Oh, nah, bro. He.
You feel me? But make sure you take a shower as well, man. Let me show you the fucking bathroom. Damn. Chris.
No, you can get us my dick right now. What the fuck? Come on, bro. Come on.
Prince.
Come on.
Hey, back it up.
Bro, no, David's locking the door. It's no other fucking shower. Bro, it's no other fucking shower. He's locking the door.
Get out.
Bro, come on, you have the biggest shower. You have 1, 2, 3 showers, bro. What are you complaining about, bro?
Get the fuck out, my guy. Get out.
Bro, I told you to stop. Can you turn around?
Get out! Get out, Chris!
Can I get the towel?
Get out!
Can I get the towel?
Get out, Chris!
You are fucking hitting me like a slave!
Yo, bro. Was I hitting the ceiling?
Yeah, bro, get out, dog.
What happened?
Flush the toilet, man. Get out, man.
Bro, that shit was spitting into the air.
Oh, nah.
Sober up, man.
I did not expect that shit to be hitting the fucking ceiling.
It's a bidet. What you think?
I've never used a bidet before. This shit high as hell.
Like massive pressure to your asshole.
Bro, that's luxury.
Yeah.
What? Wait, what? The toilet?
Get out! Get out! Get out!
What's this for?
That's the remote, man. Don't worry about all that.
You got a remote in your shower. Tell me the TV in your shower.
My bad.
You're walking slow! Get out! I don't care. It's a tile. Get out! As I explained, man, this house is a work in progress. Look, I had some vision, man. Look, me, contractor Agian in the building. We're constructing a wall right here. Cause bro, who the fuck needs a bathroom this big? Not me. I'd rather have my bed in here than in that room. That being said, you construct a wall right here, you make this side the bathroom, we're gonna remove that vanity in the sink and we're gonna put it somewhere else in the crib, and then you're gonna have to open the door to enter the shower. That's my vision for it. At least this fucked up my socks with. I'm fucking sick.
That's hard to look at in my head.
You told me you don't care.
You gotta see the finished product.
Yeah, cause like he said it.
Nah, that is a big ass bathroom.
Nigga got his closet, his bed. He got a sink next to his bed.
He got multiple sinks though.
They got 3 showers.
Does he have the master bedroom?
No.
Wait a minute, he doesn't.
We didn't see Kai and Duke on that.
Bro.
Oh, wait, no, we saw Dukes.
Ain't no way Kai got. If Kai got the master, I mean, it would make sense like money wise, but like nah. If that's the master bedroom, maybe it's on the top. I don't know. We gotta see. Maybe it's a whole. I don't know.
I'm gonna kill him, man. I'm gonna kill him, man. I'm just gonna kill him.
He tried not to.
I'm gonna see him. Next time I see him, I'm gonna kill him in GTA. Now, all right. So once the wall gets propped up, we're gonna apply a TV to the wall right there. This is gonna be my bedroom. That's gonna be the shower, and there's actually surprisingly even more space. Come on! Hey, some of y'all, man, you've never applied pressure to your asshole. And I can tell, bro, but if you come along this way, you see not only a toilet, but a bidet, man. I'm living lavish, man. Look at me, man. I'm living my best life. Follow me this way, because if I'm using one toilet, your man can use this toilet.
Well, you use 2?
Or your girl, depending on which way you swing it. And I'm not one to judge. I accept any and all people. This is one of my closets. So this walk-in closet I kind of just use for clothes. You can tell just how jam-packed it is with stuff, huh? Yeah, I'm a big fashion guy, buddies. Yeah. And if you follow me along this way, this I get way more excited about. This is my camera closet. So anything from wind resistance for microphones to my Pikachu, which is my main on Super Smash, to lighting equipment, to camera gear, and hella plaques and more plaques and future plaques and soft boxes. All the good stuff, man. And from time to time, I know some of my British guys, you getting real excited looking at this right here. I might drink some tea.
Why do you have that, bro?
I love tea.
I've never seen her tea.
I'm a huge fan of tea.
I've lived with you for like 7
If you're
years.
from London, man, put your hands up. Hey, real shit though. Most of my camera gear that I use frequently is gonna be in my main room in the camera closet you guys saw. But the stuff I use less frequently, more of the accessory stuff, I'm just gonna plop in here when I have an opportunity. Honestly, I feel fucking blessed. I know you guys think like, Asian, you got like 95 million homes. Shut up. Yeah, I got 2 fucking homes, guys. This is now the 3rd home.
That is so
Stop,
awesome.
don't lie, because they're gonna believe you, bro. They're gonna believe you.
You have 2 homes?
I own 2 homes. This is the 3rd now.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
yeah,
3. This is my 3rd home. So look, man, what a fucking blessing, dog. Like, oh, think about fuck the actual inside of the house. The view is worth $1 million alone. But then you look at the inside of the house, man, and the fact that I get a chance to live with my guys in A&P. Bro, low-key, I feel blessed, man. This last month we didn't have a crib felt like a fucking eternity, man. And to go from having no bathroom to a bathroom the size of 6 bedrooms, bro, just put a smile on my face, man. I wonder what Phantom's up to. Yeah. Nah, that's Joe Biden right there. Hey man, load that in the back of the truck, man. Let's have some fun.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. And that's riding with Phantom.
Yo, what's
back to you, Mike.
Alright, man. This next segment of the A&P House Review is called Loyalty Test. We all know Davis in a relationship, so I'm gonna have one of the females try and riz him up, and you can see Davis get uncomfortable and walk away. If he's loyal, it's a loyalty test. You know what the crazy part is? We got 2 acres of meditation space back there. I don't know too many niggas with meditation space in their house, but we do. Hey. Alright, you know who Davis is?
No.
You don't know who Davis is?
No.
Alright, he's the guy in the orange t-shirt. He's sitting on the bench right there, right?
Okay.
He's in a relationship. We're doing a loyalty test on him. So I need you to try and raise him up, flirt a little bit, see him get uncomfortable, walk and go away. You feel me? Alright?
Yeah.
He's on the bench right there. So I'll be watching from afar, but the camera's gonna follow you.
Did you just lose my ball?
Davis.
Davis, I'm Mina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know any good spots?
Nah, I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm walking to the bull
Like if I want to party here or go to a club, you know any good spots?
Nah, I don't party here.
Not really. What if with me? What if I invited you out?
Probably not.
Nah. It's the camera. It's the camera. They're probably not. Nah, you're not into it. He looks tired when he just woke up.
So hold on for dear life right now.
Nah, that shit funny.
Me either, but I think you're cute and I just, want to go out. She is lying. She deadass was talking about you like 2 hours ago.
That's fucking nuts.
No, I just wanted to ask you out.
Congratulations, Davis. You passed the first ever A&P loyalty test.
That nigga is so crazy.
He's a good fucking guy, man. You can trust this guy with your life, man. You can trust him with your life.
That ass walked away from me. Like, damn. Can I just get a conversation?
You did your best. He's just a very loyal guy.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Get a conversation.
You can't even fault him for that. You really can't.
No, he was good. I would want my boyfriend to act like that.
And that's a big compliment.
Get this. Nah, that was Get this. Nah, that was
I'm trolling that.
You sure was, man. Show the fuck was.
You gonna hop on next? Huh? You gonna hop on next? After you?
Duke.
Oh, what the fuck? Hey, yo.
Hold on.
He's right. Like a nigga like Bebo.
Hey, Agent.
Look at this nigga. Man, look, this nigga riding a grown ass man though. Riding mad little dick. Like me personally, I'm a grown ass man. I would never do that shit. Shit, that was good. That shit was going mad fast.
How'd you fall?
Alright, we all on at the same time. Hey! Whoa!
Got too much cheeks.
Man, make that shit a million miles an hour. Whoa! Yo, AJ, you next.
No, I just started. I just got in, man. Give me a second.
We finally come to.
Like you maintain balance and shit real well.
Very well. So I won the bull riding contest. You're looking at a professional bull.
I knew it though. As soon as I see you, I said, boy, that motherfucker like she can ride, boy. Yup, that's what I said.
My boyfriend. I'm just playing. No,
Yeah.
He's a great
My
guy.
fake boyfriend.
Yeah, he's a great fucking guy.
He's too loyal to his girlfriend. He wouldn't even give me a conversation.
Y'all, man, now it's time to get in my room. KC 3000. Alright, look, hold on. Y'all already know I was in the U-Haul for a little bit, went to jail for a little bit, went back to New York. I was in New York for a little bit, laying low. I already know, I hear y'all asking, oh my God, Kyle, where's your door to get in? People could just walk inside the room, where's your door? Don't worry, I'm getting 2 doors installed so I can have the privacy to do what I wanna do what I wanna do. First things first, take a look at my room, The room is looking nice. Off rip.
Nah.
In the room. Don't mind all this other stuff because you know we still moving in and all that. This is
fuck am I looking
on the
at?
move, on the go. Streaming setup. This is
was
like
a
you
kitchen.
for the U-Haul. But look, your boy got a refrigerator in his
That's
room.
early.
Who do you know got a kitchen in the room? Look. Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at all the drinks, everything that
That's
I got. I don't have to go upstairs, Gangatron. I don't. Hot Pockets. You feel me? We got the nice counter, so if I want, I can put different snacks in there and shit like that. I never gotta go upstairs, no cap. Then I got an air fryer. Yo, if you don't got an air fryer and your girl over here telling you that you can't cook, you don't gotta cook. Let it cook for you. Then I got me a microwave, nice little microwave so I can heat up stuff. On to the next part of the room. I have 2 arcade machines right here. Now, first of all,
I'm telling you,
You see his fucking room? How did he win out of?
I'm telling you.
How did he get there?
I mean, it makes sense. Like, Kyle was probably on some shit like, alright, this is gonna be my first crib that like I'm gonna have my name on and I'm gonna own. So like, if I gotta put up
He bought
a
this?
little bit
On his
more,
shit?
they all bought it.
No, what I'm saying, oh,
Yeah, the
Like,
way
it's
they
their
were talking
crib.
about it
oh
earlier.
yeah.
Like they all put their names on it. I'm guessing they all on the
How the
shit.
fuck this thing got the name?
Probably put the most bread. I want the biggest room. I put up the most bread.
Okay.
Type shit.
Like this and shit. Like, yeah, I need this.
Like Duke is probably like, fuck it.
always wanted to have arcade games in my room because I felt like it was fun. I got the Simpsons game here. This game is actually pretty dope as hell. Then I got, Pac-Man. You can't go wrong with Pac-Man. You know, I think I probably wondering, yo, Ka, why your arcade shit so short? Nigga, it's for the short people. It's for, you know what I'm saying? Why the fuck would I want to be standing up doing this when I can sit down and get real comfortable and get in that mode? There! Hey, hold on, give me a second.
You gotta get ready. You gotta get ready till you lose.
Alright, now, as y'all see, if y'all know this, as y'all see this video right now, that means the streams are officially back! You feel what I'm saying? So I'm back in action. This is the setup. I know you're probably thinking I had a crazy setup. No, hell no. This is my regular setup. We just brought it to this crib and stuff like that. Hold on. Gotta show y'all this. Thanks for showing love on that Bust Down Rolly Avalanche. It went so crazy that I got my own video game and my own Pokemon cards. But you're probably wondering, yo, Kyle, you don't got a chair, because y'all already know what happened to my chair, right? So Kyle, you don't got a chair, That is to be revealed, you know what I'm saying? I know, finally, KC3 got a new chair, but I didn't want to show y'all on here because I will be revealing it on my stream. So that shit gonna be so fire. First of all, look at the first, it's amazing about the house. That's one thing about this house, everybody has a fire ass view. Let me just adjust the elephant in the room, the fucking carpet. I'm like, this nigga is a freak, nigga. Okay, this came with the house. Okay, the carpet came with the house. So I really didn't want to
space, not too
make
much
that.
space, but
You know,
that's
let me get that out of the way now. I'm not a freaky ass nigga. I'm not a playboy or whatever. That's just there. I'll be trying to change it. I'll change it soon. I don't know. I'm gonna see how y'all fuck with it first. But look, we got Alexa right here. Yo, Alexa, who's the cutest nigga in the world? Alexa, alright, right here, we got my bed, big king size shit.
Get that. The internet.
Shut the fuck up! Big king size shit for the king himself, you know what I'm saying? Your boy had a balcony in the last crib. Now your boy got a balcony in this crib. Oh my God, come on, man. Just take it in, You hear that? Mm-hmm. Nature. Nature, there's the front yard, Hey, no, I ain't my dick. You feel me? Right now, we got the nice dresser with the nice TV. Mad Netflix. Like, mad Netflix. Like, no, mad Netflix. That right here, one of my favorite parts of my room is the massage shit. The massage shit is amazing. You feel what I'm saying? You go and turn this motherfucker on and put it in 0 gravity. Look, I'm levitating. Oh my gosh, man. This is another thing I always wanted as a kid, and I'm able to get it. A massage shit. This shit is amazing. Like, oh my gosh. Come on, bro. How can I forget the poster? This is actually the exact poster in Ralph of Bronx, New York. You feel what I'm saying? So shout out to motherfucking Bronx. If you're from New York, I need y'all to make some fucking noise. I got this here just for the fact that not forget where I came from and not take my blessings for granted. You feel what I'm saying? Bronx, nigga. Okay, in the last crib, I had a closet. In my mom's crib, I was sharing a closet. You feel what I'm saying? I always wanted my own, you feel me, closet with enough space.
I know you should walk in.
You feel what I'm saying? I finally got my walk-in closet full of all the drip. You feel what I'm saying? I got all my jeans here, all the jeans. Got some beats. I'm gonna hold up on showing y'all my shoe collection. I really want to show it a lot, but you feel what I'm saying? It's gonna be updated on my Instagram as time goes by. It's getting better, and yeah. Oh, shit, who's here? I know. Oh, y'all thought I left this back home? Hell no, this shit staying with me whenever and wherever I go. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we locked it forever twin. I know y'all probably thought, oh, he got rid of this shit.
Oh, he did too.
But I do got some new shit, but you will always be with me. You hear me? Alright, so then we got MJ on the wall. Y'all already know he's the GOAT. I don't want to hear nobody argue with me. This is the GOAT. There's no other artist in the world that can compare to MJ. Shout out to GOAT. Gotta pay my respect to MJ himself. But right when you see MJ, you see another door. What I mean by I never have to go upstairs. Got my bathroom in this motherfucker. You feel what I'm saying? This nice bathroom. Now there's 2 niggas in the bathroom. But yeah, after the bathroom, you feel what I'm saying? I mean, that's about it. I'm really happy with my room. Instead of fitting, 20 girls in my room like the last time, I now can fit like 50 tails, and you feel what I'm saying? But yeah. Alright, so y'all, that concludes the tour. You feel what I'm saying? I hope you guys like the crib and shit like that. But now, for some real shit, it's time for me to have a party. So I'm getting ready. You gotta go. You feel what I'm saying?
Like, I always do this shit, so I feel like it's flag. Nah, yeah, they got it. They got it. You didn't get him spotted.
Stop! The fuck you fucking Why are you running? Stop! It's our house, bro! It is our crib! Stop! Stop!
Oh, they started already, bro. Nah, something is wrong with them.
Nah, I don't blame your family.
You can't bring New York niggas nowhere,
yeah. I mean, they just spent their bread. I mean, niggas can do what they want.
Nah, yeah, definitely. It's just like, first day.
Like, so I'm saying, like, their word, let it shit, like, niggas are married. Nah, this is different, bro.
That nigga Duke gonna lose his shit.
Nah, Duke gonna end up moving out with trust.
It's gonna be Agian too. We gonna be sick.
Oh, shit.
Oh, they can't do that.
Look, man, you see us in the corner right there, man. Big body shit.
Hello.
We got a lot of things in store too. Y'all just continue to keep supporting us on this run.
Please,
it's not even, you feel me? It's not even the main channel.
We want to make them steps.
We are going to make those steps.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Subscribe everyone. Like, comment, all of that.
Stay on the journey with us.
Reddit, Twitch, come on now. Don't keep going up, keep supporting if you're new. Tune into Wavy Nation. We'll see how this shit unfolds.
Point live from WN, Jack.